Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss drawing a line using coordinate system. In previous video we already have discussed about drawing a line using length and angle. Today we'll discuss it using coordinate system. So this is the line tool. You can select this or you can press L enter to get into a line command. Now currently the dynamic inputs that you are seeing, they are the coordinates. Now I want the first point at a particular coordinate, let us say. So I have to change these dynamic inputs and I have to specify the first point of what coordinates I need. So let us say I want the first point to be at coordinate 10 as x-axis and 20 as y-axis. So what I have to do here, I will insert this the current highlighted number, which is blue highlighted 113.7 is your x coordinate, that is showing x coordinate. So you have to change it to 10. So I have changed it. Now do not press enter. You have to change the y coordinate. Now to shift to the y coordinate, you have to press comma, okay, on your keyboard. Okay. After pressing comma, you have to specify y coordinate, which is 20. After specifying y coordinate, you can press enter. Now you can see I have specified first coordinate of a line, which is first point of a line. Now to specify second point of a line, what I need to do, again I have to specify the coordinates. Now as you can see the dynamic inputs, it is showing length of the line and angle. So you don't have to worry about it. You just specify the x coordinate of a second point. I want, let us say, it to be 50 x coordinate, and to shift it to the y coordinate you have to press comma here. Do not press tab, otherwise it will get shifted to the length and angle type, right? You want it to be coordinates, so you have to press comma. So I'll press comma to shift to y coordinate. After pressing comma, I have to specify y coordinate. Let us say I want it to be 100. I want the second point at 50 comma 100, so I'll specify 100. And here is how I have drawn a line using coordinates. If I press escape, I will be out of the line command. So this is how we draw a line using coordinates. Okay. Now there are other methods too. If you see, if you goes on drawing a line by selecting the coordinates, by default it will take a relative coordinate. What does this mean? Let us start drawing the line from this end point. Okay, so this end point, as you know, that it is 50 comma 100. So I'll say 50 comma 100. Now do you think that it is going to select this point only? Let us see. No, it does not select it that point. Now what is the issue here? The point which we have specified, this 50 comma 100, is with relative to this initial point, right? So it has taken this as the reference, that is 0 comma 0. This point it has taken as a reference 0 comma 0, and as per that it has specified this second point, right? So what if you want to have the absolute coordinates? Okay, I'll show you the difference between absolute and relative. Okay, first of all, I'll erase this line. Select a line command. Let us start drawing a line from 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 origin. I'll specify first point. I will specify second point as 20 comma 50. This is the second point I have specified. Let us specify the third point as 30 comma 0. Okay, now as you can see I have specified the second line as second end point as 30 comma 0. So it has taken horizontal as 30 relative to this initial, the previous point, and vertical as 0 relative to this point, not relative to origin. But if I want this relative to origin, everything relative to origin, what you have to do, you have to press hash before inputting the coordinates. If I press hash and if I press the coordinates now, let us say 20 comma 0. So this line will take the origin as a reference. That means you will get the point on x-axis 20 and on y-axis 0. So you will get point somewhere here. It will not take this previous point as a reference. It will take origin as a reference. So when you're inserting hash symbol in front of the coordinates, so it will take origin as a reference. Now see here, if I press enter, see it has taken this as the point, right? So if you are inputting the coordinates without hash, it will take previous point as a reference. If you are inputting the coordinate with hash, it will take origin 0, 0 as a reference. So hope you all have understood this, drawing a line by using coordinate system.